Model, 66-plate Ford Ranger pickup Super XL 2.2 TDCi spares OR repairs for X4 body, white 4x4 mileage, 67,345 MOT, the 26th of August 2024 engine, 2198 cc 2.2160 PS TDCi transmission, 6-speed manual, mechanical summary, non-runner no competition head gasket needs replacing, condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Very well looked after. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con, Bluetooth radio EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £10,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.